Hello students, today I am going to discuss with you first unit of electricity and magnetism. Electricity, magnetism, your theory subject, and I am going to start with first unit, and your first unit is vector analysis, and the topic will be covered by this unit is review of vector algebra, scalar and vector product, gradient, divergence, curl and their significance. So first I am going to start with review of vector algebra, and in this the topic covered by is scalar and vector product. So first topic is scalar or dot product. So what is the scalar and dot product? The scalar or dot product of the vector A and vector B is defined as the scalar AB cos theta when theta is the angle between A and B. A dot B is equal to, dot means dot is replaced by cos of theta, but in vector product we will discuss it later. Cross product comes and cross product is replaced by sine of theta. So A dot B is equal to A magnitude B magnitude cos of theta. So the geometrical interpretation of A dot B. So we discuss about the what is the geometrical interpretation of A dot B. So you can easily seen in this diagram right hand side. So we have A vector, B vector, and the theta is the angle between vector A and vector B. So A dot B is the product of the length of the vector and the length of the projection of the other in the direction of the form. So let OL is equal to A vector. So you can easily seen in this diagram right hand side. So OL is equal to A is a vector and O H is equal to another is equal to B vector. So A dot B will comes is equal to magnitude of A magnitude of B cos of theta, and this will be equal to A magnitude B magnitude and cos of theta. What is cos of theta? Cos of theta is equal to perpendicular. You can easily see this from PBH HHB. So cos of theta will be base upon में hypotenuse. So what is your base? Your base is ON, and ON is your A, and what is your hypotenuse? Your hypotenuse is OH. So cos of theta is base upon में hypotenuse. So base upon hypotenuse you can easily see here right hand side below the diagram. Cos of theta is equal to ON divided by OH. So ON is A is a vector, and divided by B because of cos of theta is base upon में hypotenuse. So A dot B will comes is equal to magnitude of A into में projection of B in the direction of A, projection of B in the direction of A. So you can read like this: A into projection of B in the direction of A. So there are some properties of a scalar product, or you can say dot product. So the first property is a dot b is equal to b dot a. The second property is a plus b dot c is equal to a dot c plus b dot c. You can say the second one is called distributive law. So third one is a vector dot b का magnitude less than equal to magnitude of a and magnitude of b. So these three are properties of dot product. So with the help of some problem, you can easily understand what is the dot product and what is the scalar product. So first we will discuss about the first problem. The first problem is, if a plus b magnitude is equal to a minus b magnitude, show that magnitude of a and magnitude of b are mutually perpendicular. So first, given a plus magnitude is equal to a minus magnitude, squaring both side, when we will square both side, a plus b square is equal to a minus b square. Open this square, a plus b is equal to a minus b. Square both sided, left hand side as well as right hand side. So a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to a square plus b square minus of 2ab. So a square b square cancel both sided, and the 2a dot b will be add up. So it will comes 4a dot b is equal to 0 and a dot b is equal to 0. When a dot b is equal to 0 means what is theta? Theta will be, because when you replace dot product by cos of theta and cos 90 is always 0, so theta will be 90 degree. So you can easily say that magnitude of a is, you can say vector a is perpendicular to the vector b. But we have to prove this. We have to prove this vector a and vector b are mutually perpendicular. Hence proof. So you can try at home some other problems. Problem second, problem third, and problem number 4. So problem second is, if a is equal to I plus 2j minus 3k and b is equal to this, show that a vector plus b vector is perpendicularly to vector a minus b. Also calculate the angle between these two. So this is very simple problem. So please do it at home. So next problem is, if a is equal to I plus j plus k, these are unit vector, and b is equal to 2i minus j plus 4k cap, and c is equal to this, then find the unit vector. Where you have to find the unit vector. So this is also a very simple problem. So next problem is, find the projection of the vector. So you need to find the some projection of the vector. Vector is given 2i minus 3j plus 6k on the vector I plus 2j plus 2k. Okay, so do it at home. If you have any query, so you can contact me. My email ID is POOJANGRAPMB@gmail.com, or you can contact me on my contact number. My contact number is 8860043047. So next topic is vector or cross product. So what is the vector product? Vector product is also known as cross product. So vector product or cross product of the two vector a and b is defined as the vector such that its magnitude is AB sin theta, theta being the angle between A and B, and its direction is perpendicular to the plane A and B. And what is the third property? It forms with A vector and B vector a right-handed system. So that is A vector B means product of vector A and product of vector B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B. When we replace cross product is replaced by sine of theta. And n vector, what is n vector? N vector, unit vector, it is the unit vector normal to the plane of A and B. A and B, so A and B your plane, and it is a perpendicular to both vector. So same as we have discussed in dot product, geometrical interpretation of A dot B, same here we will discuss about the geometrical interpretation of A cross B. So if n unit vector normal to the plane of the triangle, what is your triangle? Your triangle is OAB as shown in figure. Then A cross B is equal to magnitude of A, magnitude of B sine theta n cap. Then it will be equal to what? This is equal to twice factor 1 by 2 AB sine theta into may n unit vector. So multiply by 2 and also divided by 2. And what is 1 by 2 AB sine theta? It is the area of the triangle, because you know that what is area of the triangle? 1 by 2 base into may height. Your base is A is vector, and what is height? Height your B sine theta. So you can say that product of A vector and B vector is twice of area of triangle. And what is your triangle? You can say your triangle will be AB, triangle AB into n unit vector. So A cross B represents twice the vector area of the triangle having the vector A and B as its adjacent side. Okay, so there are same, we have some properties of vector product. So the first property is A cross B is equal to B cross A, but they are not equal to, means A cross B not equal to B cross A. It is called non-commutative law, means it is not commutative. And the second property is A plus B cross C is equal to A cross C plus B cross C. This is known as distributive law. Okay, so how we can write A cross B? So A cross B, we know that A is equal to AI cap plus A2j cap plus A3k cap. Same manner we can write B is equal to B1 cap plus B2j cap plus B3k cap. So how we will write in terms of cross product? So you need to write in terms in form of a determinant. First, in first row you will write I cap, j cap, k cap, and the second row A1, A2, A3, and the third row b1, b2, b3. Two values are two vectors are parallel if their vector product 0. Two vector will be parallel if their cross product will be 0, means a cross b is equal to 0 when a and b are parallel. But we have seen in the last topic a dot b is equal to 0 when a and b both are perpendicular to each other. So you can easily see the difference between dot product and the cross product. So here we will discuss one problem for vector product. So the first problem is given a and b, what we need to find a cross b, and the unit vector perpendicular is to both a and b. Also determine the sine of the angle between a and b. It is very simple question. First you need to calculate cross product of a and b, then you need to calculate sine theta, and you can easily find the theta. Okay, so please do it also at your home, and if you need to any discussion you can contact me. So same we are moving to the next problem. So next problem is find the area of the triangle where vertices are. You need to calculate area of the triangle. There are three sides of the triangle and these three sides are given. You can see the values here. So again the next problem is if 3i cap plus j cap minus 2k cap and I cap minus 3j cap minus 4k cap are the divergence of a parallelogram and find its area. So simple, you need to find the area of the parallelogram. Okay, so same you can do at your home this problem. A plus b plus c is 0, then you need to prove a cross b is equal to b cross c is equal to c cross a. So I hope you can do it. It is very simple problem. Okay, so next topic is we will discuss scalar product of three vector. Scalar product of three vector. So scalar product of three vector, last two topic we have covered the cross product of two vectors, dot product and the vector product. But next topic is the scalar product of three vector. Three vector means a vector, b vector and the c vector. So first, if vector a, vector b, vector c be any three vectors, then it's a scalar or dot product of a cross b with c is called the scalar product of the three vector a, b, c and is written as a cross b dot c or ABC. You can write like this. So same here we will discuss geometrical interpretation of scalar product of three vector. The product a cross b dot c represents numerically the volume of parallelopipe having a, b, c or centrominous edges. So we know, you all know, the volume is simply the volume of any cube is equal to a cube. But if the three sided are not equal, then you will write the volume in terms of a scalar product of three vector or any parallel pipe. Then the what is the volume? Volume will be A cross B dot C. So this is your geometrical interpretation of scalar product of three vectors. So the next we will discuss properties of scalar triple product. Scalar properties of scalar triple product. So first property is the condition for three vector. The condition for three vector be a coplanar, be a coplanar is the unit scalar triple should be diminishes. Means आपका there is the scalar means three vector will be in a coplanar, and the second one is A cross B dot C is equal to A dot B cross C. So these are the two properties of scalar triple product, and here we will discuss with the help of some problem scalar triple product. So first problem is we need to show A dot B cross C is equal to a magnitude, or you can say determinant of a x a y a z, b x b y b z, c x c y c z. So the solution is, what is first, write the values of vector A, then values of vector B, and then value vector of C. First determine B cross C by the definition. Again, B cross C is equal to determinant of I, J, K, Bx, By, Bz, Cx, Cy, Cz. Again, find out the determinant of these two vector. So you can easily find the determinant of these two vector. First row and first column I, and then cross product of By, Cz minus Bz, Cy, then the second row minus of J, and the third. So you can do like this, and also solve the right hand side. Right hand side is Ax, Ay, Az, and solve this determinant, and from equation number 1 and equation number 2 you can easily see both are equal. So hence you can say hence proof. Okay. Again, first topic is vector product of three vector. The last topic is scalar product of three vector, and this topic is vector product of three vector. So if A, B, C be any three vectors, then the vector or cross product of A with B cross C is called the vector product of A vector, B vector, C vector, and is written as A cross B cross C. The properties of vector product of three vector are, first property is A cross B cross C brackets is not equal to A cross B bracket cross C, and the next property is A cross B cross C is always equal to A dot C dot into B minus A dot B C. Okay, you can learn this formula from one method. The method is back cab. Back means BAC back, cab means CAB cab, back cab. तो back cab BA dot C minus CA dot B, back cab means cross product of three vector. The formula will be back cab BA dot C minus CA dot B. Okay, so the next problem is, so the next problem is, show that A cross B cross C, A cross B cross C is equal to B A dot C minus C A dot B. Means you need to prove this problem, so you can do at your home. This is a very simple problem. First it is a few lengthy problem, but you can easily solve this problem at your home if you will do it in a step by step. Then the result comes out better. Again, if you need any help, you can contact me. Okay, so the next problem is gradient. After that we will cover divergence, and later on we will discuss about the curl and their significance. Okay, so in this topic we will cover gradient. So what is the gradient? Let phi x y z be defined and differentiable at each point x y z in a certain region of space. Then the gradient of phi, written as grade phi as or grade phi, del phi or grade phi, okay, is defined by del phi is equal to I cap. How we will write gradient of phi? Del phi is equal to I del phi upon del x plus I j cap del phi upon del y plus k cap del phi upon del z. This is the equation number 1. So there are some problem of gradient which with the help of this problem you can easily understood what is the gradient. Okay, so you need to find gradient of phi, where phi, what is phi? Phi is a scalar quantity, and you need to find, we have two part in this problem. The first you need to find phi is given 1 by r, and in the second part phi is also given ln of r mod of r. Okay, so first we will discuss about the first part of this problem. The first part of this problem is, let r is equal to, r is a vector here, position vector. You can say this is a position vector, and this will be equal to x I cap plus y j cap plus z k cap. Then magnitude of r, everyone know about the magnitude of r. How we can write magnitude of r is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. First problem is phi is equal to 1 by r. So first write the value of r. Everyone know about the value of r, under root of x square plus y square plus z square. So by definition everyone know del phi is equal to I del phi, or you can see in equation number 1 I is equal to del phi upon del x plus j del phi upon del y plus k del phi upon del z. Okay, so write here value of phi, and you can differentiate it. After differentiating we get the results is r cap upon r square की power 3 by 2. So r upon r cube, so gradient of 1 upon r will be minus r upon में r cube. So answer will be this. Okay, what is the second part? Second part is, let r is equal to under root of x square plus y square plus z square. You need to find ln of r. Ln of r means magnitude of r. Ln of magnitude of r is under root of x square plus y square plus z square means phi is equal to ln of r is equal to 1 upon 1 by 2 ln of r x means power comes out in front 1 by 2 then by definition del phi is equal to this, and put the value of phi here and differentiate with respect to x, then y, then z, and solve this, and you can get r upon may r square. So final answer will be r vector upon may r of square. Okay, so these are the topic which um, I have covered in this presentation. So you can easily see this problem. If you have any queries, or you can email me or WhatsApp me. Thank you so much.